bring to you once again the 5-Minute Forum from Good Foods on Decker Boulevard. Boom. What did I say 2004? The food here is good. I know that.
It is good. Junk food heaven.
We seek to educate, inspire, impress,
okay, whatever.
entertain.
Today we're doing a pop topic. I'm asking a question, and we're going to discuss the topic that we didn't previously talk about.
And
So
I
you gotta
have
know what the topic is.
I don't know what it is. But
So here's the topic. It's very general.
okay.
What would you do if your husband forgot your anniversary?
Ooh, what would I do if my husband forgot my anniversary? Well, I am married, and I had my anniversary. I've been married for 3 years. I just had my anniversary in January. So for me, and I'm going to tell the truth, Lord, my husband's going to watch this. I was at school on my anniversary, and I was working all day. And it was about 1 o'clock, and I just happened to look down at my calendar, and I realized, oh my God, today is my anniversary. And I'm telling it. I was like, oh my goodness, today is my
And then
anniversary.
she called me and told me.
I did that.
Yes, you did. I know exactly what you did.
So I was like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? So I went to the store and I bought some stuff, and I had ordered him something already.
For Valentine's Day.
Right. Oh my gosh, we going to tell all that?
I'm sorry.
I love you still. So it was it was at the house when I got there, so I had gifts, you know what I'm saying? So when he came home, he was like, hey baby. I was like, hey. He was like, did you forget something? I was like, oh, today's Thursday. He said, no, it's another day. I was like, oh my gosh, it's our anniversary. Did I forget? He was like, baby, it's okay. You know, it kind of slipped my mind too. We'll just celebrate it on Saturday. I was like, oh, okay. And I had gifts. So it seemed like I remembered, but not that I didn't remember, because it's an important day to me because he's a great guy. But you know, if he forgot, as long as we forgot together, I mean,
Seriously?
maybe that makes it all right. Because I'm not that great with days. What about you?
Okay, today's my anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary!
Thank you very much. And yes, since we telling it, my wonderful husband, I love you, boo.
Great.
I love you, G4. Awesome guy. I love you. You so fine. You're my baby.
He's right.
Anyway, yeah, he tends to forget our anniversary about every 365 days. Yeah, he just doesn't. Yeah, he does. Yeah. Today I'm spending my anniversary with her. Guess where I was at last year on my anniversary with her?
Oh,
At a restaurant up the street.
oh, that's right.
Yeah, so she's sort of like my anniversary chick. I feel like I'm cheating. Yeah, and as a matter of fact, while we were together, he finally remembered we had an anniversary that particular day and called me. I was like, I'm here eating with Arisha now. What you got? So, but yeah, anyway, so yeah. So basically, the moral of the story is, men, don't forget your women's, and you don't forget your wife's anniversary. And women who are like her, don't forget your anniversary, okay? And play it off with some gifts that you want for Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh, stop! That sounds so bad. I mean,
It is.
But I love my husband. You know, he is a great guy.
You love him so much
and
you
our
can't even remember the day that you married him.
Our wedding day is so special.
But the anniversaries aren't.
But you know, you can have an anniversary every day. You know what I'm saying? You can
Oh,
have an
here we
anniversary
go.
every month. Just like Valentine's Day. You don't have to celebrate on one day of the year to say I love you and give flowers and a balloon. You can do that all the time. So
Says the chick who don't remember her anniversary.
I remember.
An anniversary
I
is not
remember.
the time to say I love you.
Do you
An
hear the off screen?
An anniversary is the time to celebrate the day.
The 5-Minute Four with Arisha, Mel, and Donnie?
No, it's just Arisha and Mel.
I didn't think so.
We
You the
did it.
cameraman.
Right. Anyway, we've got, oh my goodness, our time is running. But I mean, how did it make you feel? I mean, did it make you feel bad when you know that he forgets?
It makes me feel overlooked. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I know he loves me. I have a great husband. But it does make you feel overlooked. It makes you feel even a little unimportant, you know?
Underappreciated.
Definitely underappreciated because I'm the bomb.
You are. She is the bomb.
I am the bomb. Like, he should be trying to celebrate with me every month.
Right.
Not just every year. You know what I mean?
And that's my point exactly. You know, I mean, yeah, every day should be an anniversary. It's your anyway. So our time is almost up.
And I love you, baby.
Yes, and I love you
Everything
too, Craig. So y'all, husbands, don't forget your anniversaries. Wives, don't forget your anniversaries.
Wives.
And tell the people you love them every day. This has been the 5-Minute Forum with Arisha
And Mel.
All right, see you next time.
Thank you for watching.